Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Can you use baking soda to whiten teeth? If you want to whiten your teeth, you have options other than teeth whitening kits or a trip to the dentist. Another effective and safe choice is baking soda. You can prepare a solution yourself or use toothpaste or rinses made with baking soda. /r/n/r/n baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a mild abrasive. Mixing it with water and using it to brush your teeth physically removes surface stains from teeth. It scrubs tooth enamel, polishing it to reveal cleaner and whiter teeth underneath. Although it does not bleach teeth, by removing stains, teeth will look brighter and cleaner. /r/n/r/n baking soda is an effective choice for whitening teeth. Some studies have shown that toothpaste with baking soda is better at stain removal than other, more abrasive toothpastes, which are harsher on enamel. /r/n/r/n baking soda can be mixed with water to polish and whiten your teeth or combined with hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a bleach that can enhance the whitening effect. It's generally quite safe, but it's important to use it correctly, as it can irritate or even damage tooth enamel and gums. /r/n/r/n if you swallow too much of it, it can be toxic, so measure the solution carefully or look for products with the peroxide and soda already mixed in. /r/n/r/n baking soda is a common option for teeth whitening, but there are a few factors to take into consideration if you're thinking about trying it. /r/n/r/n effective on surface stains /r/n/r/n mild and safe to use as directed /r/n/r/n inexpensive /r/n/r/n can prepare it at home /r/n/r/n reduces plaque buildup and neutralizes harmful acids in mouth /r/n/r/n not get your teeth as white as other products or getting a professional service at a dentist's office /r/n/r/n texture is gritty /r/n/r/n will have to mix it yourself if you don't want to use manufactured teeth whitening products with baking soda /r/n/r/n if you want to make and use your own teeth whitening paste at home with baking soda. Here's how to do it. /r/n/r/n if you want to try a stronger solution, add hydrogen peroxide as follows. /r/n/r/n use whichever mixture you prefer, no more than twice a week. You can also add baking soda to your toothpaste. /r/n/r/n only use baking soda meant for cooking. Do not use baking soda products meant for cleaning or deodorizing. /r/n/r/n before choosing teeth whitening products or procedures, discussing your choices with a dentist is best. Options besides baking soda include /r/n/r/n there are also herbal or other home remedy whiteners, and some research shows they may be as effective and safer for tooth enamel as bleaches, while other studies do not support this claim. If you want to try an herbal whitener, make sure you understand the differences among them, as there are many choices. /r/n/r/n teeth whitening is a safe process as long as you understand how the products you're using work. The whitening product either polishes or bleaches your teeth. It's best to consult your dentist or read the American Dental Association, ADA, guidelines. /r/n/r/n baking soda removes surface stains from the teeth, so they appear whiter and brighter. It's a safe option when used as recommended, and you can mix it at home or buy teeth whitening products that contain it. It's an inexpensive and effective way to remove stains that are darkening your teeth. /r/n/r/n, rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.